Let's have a look at some more features. So again, we're going to use this drop-down vertical list, and this time we're going to select Add Video. So in YouTube, I'm going to search for the video, What is Prototyping? Once I've already done this, it's appeared in my list. So I'm just going to select my video and press Select. It will now drop into the form. Okay. Add a title. So what I can do after this is I'm just going to add some text first, and let's say tell our students to please watch the video and answer the question below. Okay, and then we go back to the menu and let's add our question, and this time we're going to choose paragraph, and from watching the video we can say what are the three main types. So it's a long answer text, so they can answer below. Let's use our answer key. Again, give our points, and we can add our feedback. Three main points are, and then you would answer your feedback. And again, you've got a URL link to add for further information, and press save. Okay, if we just go up to the top and we can preview this. Comes our video. Of course, you can play it in full screen if you press the little square here. Please watch the video and answer the question below. What are the three main types? Worth 2 points, and your students will submit.